Welcome to this BI Quick Tip. For more information on the BI tool, please visit our Help Files website. In this video, we'll show you how to create data relationships. We often need to connect multiple datasets to get a complete picture of our data. For example, we may have a purchase order dataset and an invoice dataset, but if you want to see whether all PO quantities and amounts have been invoiced, we need to link these two datasets together. Data relationships allow you to make that connection. Let's get started. Starting from a previous report, you can see our table imported already. Let's import another by clicking on Get Data. Next, we'll select our data source. In this scenario, we'll select Excel Workbook. We'll click on Upload File, Browse, select our file, click Open, and then select Next. Afterwards, we'll select Sheet 1 and click on Transform Data. We'll click on Save. From here, we'll create data relationships with our tables. Let's link the purchase order number by dragging and dropping one to the next. As you can see, the invoice is against the PO1, which means in this scenario, I purchased 10 quantities with total amount of $1,000. However, the vendor only invoiced 8 quantities with $800, so this PO is not completely invoiced. There is still an outstanding quantity and amount to be invoiced. In the new relationship window, we can see that both areas are highlighted and will be linked. Cardinality refers to how many rows in one table can correspond to rows in the other table, and cross-filter direction refers to how filtering one table affects the other. Let's click on Save. We can now see that the tables are linked. Hovering over the link will highlight and show you what is associated as well. If we ever need to see all our relationships, we'll click on Manage Relationships. From here, we can see a list of our data relationships. If we need to make a change or delete a relationship, simply click on the 3 dots here and select what you need to do. When you are building your report, you will be able to see everything easily. Now, you can compare the PO quantity with the invoice quantity to see if it is correct. You can also compare PO amount with invoice amounts as well. And that's it! Relationships help to understand how your tables connect and allow you to use data from multiple tables together. Feel free to add as much data and build as much data relationships as you need. Thank you for watching this video on the BI Quick Tips series. For more information on BI, please visit our Help Files website. Until next time.